Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, we are going to learn JavaScript Booleans. Booleans is nothing but very simply like a decision making either true or false values you will get in output. So let's see how it is possible to check with the Booleans. So let's see very quickly. I'll take like a number 1, number 2, something like where is 2 number I'll take, and here also 2 I'll take, and one more variable I'll take it as something like number 3, that is something 7 or 8. Save it. Now let's see very simply how I am implementing Boolean over here. So removing this, let's simply say what I need to write here. Yeah, within parenthesis x, like a number 1, num1 equal to num2. Yeah, is it true or false? Let's see. Save it, run it. Wow, it is true. See the output you are able to see here. This is the output, means it's a true. Why it is the num1 equal to num2? Yeah, let's see now how it is possible. Very simple. Why? This number we have a given value is 2, number 2 only. And similarly, while number 2, like num2 variable value is also 2. So both are 2. If both are 2 means ultimately the logical expression is true. So we are getting it's a both are equal. So it is a we are getting it's a true. So let's see. And if num2 equal to num3, what happens we'll see now. So we need to get along with this. For that we need to make it as a concatenation. To prepare a concatenation plus inside double quotes, here I am writing some break line. So after plus I need to implement this method is num2 equal to num3. Can anyone guess it whether it is true or false? Can anyone guess it whether it is true or false? This is true. I have clearly explained you. So what about this? Is the number is 2 is equal to number 8, which is the number 3 is a variable. These the numbers are going to be assigning to these variables. These variables we are comparing. So this variable we are comparing means it's nothing but these values we are comparing. So let's see. If I run this, reload. So first one is true, this statement, and the second one, this statement is not true. So it is false. Very clearly it is saying. So how beauty it is. So the same way you need to learn many things. The Boolean expression is as simple as easy to learn the things. Alright, anything. It may be string comparison, it may be Boolean value and comparison, or it may be like a true-false comparisons. Anything you may compare with the Boolean expressions, you will get true-false values. Okay, so we'll catch you in the next lecture with arrays. Thank you.